Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to keep Hibernate Word together. So if you want to use the Hibernate, you can go to layout and then you can click on Hibernation tools. You can click and in there I will set like into automatic. You can click and it be create the Hibernate word like this. So in every paragraph will be show for the Hibernate words. Now, if you want to close, you can go layout again and then set into none. Another option you also can set by using manually in here. Like this should be set into manually, and if you click yes, the Hibernate will be automatically set into the selected. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to keep Hibernate Word together. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.